Welcome to SyMed's Manager Suite. In this tutorial, you will learn the process of creating a new transportation rate. This includes creating pay sources, creating procedure codes, and creating transportation modes before you can create the new transportation rate. To create your new transportation rate, first confirm you have the pay source by going to the More tab and selecting the pay source. Click on the Search tab. If the pay source isn't there, you can create one by opening the New Pay Source tab. Creating procedure codes. Second, create your procedure codes that are associated to your new rate in the More tab by selecting Procedure Codes. Press Search to confirm your rates already exist. If they aren't in your system, add a new procedure code by selecting the new procedure code on the top left corner of your screen. You may use the code multiple times with different amounts, but you cannot repeat the alias. Once all your procedure codes have been entered, you will move on to the next step. Creating transportation modes. Move to the Transportation tab and select Transportation Modes. Then press Search. If the mode isn't there, you can create one by opening New Transportation Mode on the top left corner of your screen. Once the procedure codes, rates, and modes are confirmed, you will enter the transportation rate in the Transportation tab. Select New Transportation Rate on the top left corner of your screen. Select your pay source. Select your mode, response to call, mileage, night call, or any other field you would like to select. Save your transportation rate. These rates will only apply to this pay source and mode. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a new transportation rate. If you need further assistance, please contact SyMed support at support@symedcorporation.com or call 800-400-7236. Visit us online at www.symedcorporation.com.